Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's do the unboxing of Qubo Smart Tyre Inflator. I have ordered it from the official website quboworld.com. You can see its features are listed on the side of the box. It is a multi-purpose portable device. It can be used for car, motorcycle, bicycle, electric bicycle and a ball. Now let's see what's inside. We have this compact size inflator, a pipe to connect, multiple nozzles and a Type-C cable. You can see there is a Type-C port and an emergency torchlight. This is how you connect the pipe to the inflator. Long press to turn it on. It has 5 different modes. This torchlight would be a useful feature in an emergency situations. Now let's use the device on my bike. This device has a maximum pressure of 150 psi. These are the multiple nozzles. As I told you before, it has 5 different modes. Now let's use the bike mode. Let's check if the preset pressure works. You can see it displays the preset pressure of the back tire. Now let me check the front tire pressure. You can see it displays 25 psi. It took me less than 15 seconds to increase 3 psi. This is my car which I haven't used for over a month. Unfortunately, the tire got flat. So let's use this device and let's see if it works. Let me change it to car mode. You can see it displays the preset pressure as 0. So let's wait and see how much time does it take to increase. Let me fill around 30 to 33 psi and let's wait and see how much time does it take to fill all the way from down. You can see the tire size is increasing slowly. It took me a lot of time, so I'm fast forwarding the video. So it took me around 17 to 19 minutes to increase 30 psi. So I would definitely recommend this product as it is made in India and it comes with a 6 months warranty. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a great day.